Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing an incredible gold facial routine that will leave your skin glowing and radiant. Suitable for all skin types and tones, this natural remedy uses simple ingredients like raw milk, wild turmeric, and oats to cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish your skin. Get ready to achieve a beautiful, healthy complexion. Raw milk is deeply cleansing and moisturizing, while turmeric is anti-inflammatory and enhances skin glow. Oatmeal is exfoliating and soothing. Aloe vera gel is hydrating and healing. Yogurt nourishes and softens. Honey is moisturizing and antibacterial. Gram flour cleanses and brightens. Sandalwood powder cools and soothes, and rice flour brightens and exfoliates. To achieve glowing and healthy skin, follow these 5 simple steps with natural ingredients in this gold facial video. This routine is suitable for all skin types: dry, oily, normal, and combination. It can also be followed regardless of skin tone. Start with a clean face using your regular face wash. Then perform deep cleansing with warm milk and wild turmeric. Raw milk is an excellent cleanser, and turmeric is known for its medicinal properties. This combination removes dirt, pollution, and makeup, leaving your skin clear and glowing. For exfoliation, make a gentle exfoliant using oatmeal powder, wild turmeric, and aloe vera gel. Oatmeal effectively removes dead skin and oil, while turmeric and aloe vera provide soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. This mixture ensures your skin is smooth and clean without causing irritation. Prepare a massaging cream with yogurt, wild turmeric, and honey, optional for dry skin. Yogurt nourishes the skin, turmeric adds a healthy glow, and honey moisturizes. Massage this mixture into your skin to promote blood circulation and nourish new skin cells, resulting in a radiant complexion. Create a mask with gram flour, sandalwood powder, and rice flour mixed with milk. Gram flour cleanses and exfoliates. Sandalwood powder cools and soothes, and rice flour brightens the skin. Apply a thick layer of this mask, relax, and let it work its magic. Once dry, gently wipe it off for a fresh and revitalized look. Follow these steps to enjoy a natural, effective gold facial that leaves your skin glowing and healthy without any side effects. This routine is effective for removing dirt, pollution, acne marks, pimple marks, and signs of aging such as fine lines and dark spots. By following these steps thoughtfully, you can achieve the best skin for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.